Hello everyone, welcome back to Discount Trader. In today's video, I will show you a complete sell setup using the 15 minutes time frame. First, we will understand how the market changes its direction using structure. Then, I will explain how smart money creates traps for traders by building liquidity. After that, we will mark the premium selling area where institutions place their orders. Finally, I will show you the exact entry, stop loss, and target using proper risk management. So watch this video till the end to understand this high-probability trading setup step by step. This is the point where the market stops making higher highs. This candle breaks the previous higher low, showing that buyers are losing control. Before this moment, the market was moving upward with strength. After this point, the price fails to continue higher and starts to move downward. This change of character tells us that smart money is shifting from buying to selling. At this area, many traders are still expecting the market to go up, but institutions use this moment to trap late buyers and start their sell positions. This is why the change of character is the first warning of a trend reversal. We do not take entries here. We use this point only to change our market bias from buy to sell. After this, we wait for the price to move into the premium selling area for a high probability entry. This point shows the moment when the market fully confirms a bearish direction. Before this area, the price was still moving with mixed behavior after the change of character. Here, the market clearly breaks the previous support level with strong selling pressure. This break tells us that sellers are now in control and buyers are losing strength. The candle that breaks the structure closes strongly below the previous low, which shows commitment from institutions. This is not a random move, but a planned move by smart money to shift the trend. At this moment, many traders are still waiting for the market to go back up, but institutions use this break to convince the market that the direction has changed. This break of structure confirms that the earlier change of character was valid. This point helps us remove all buying bias from our mind. We do not enter trades immediately at this break. We wait for the price to pull back into a premium selling area where smart money placed sell orders earlier. This is how the bearish break of structure gives us confirmation to prepare for high probability sell trades with proper risk management. This area shows where institutions previously placed strong sell orders. This zone is formed by the last bullish candle before a strong downward move. The price left this area with strong selling pressure, which means smart money was active here. This order block has not been visited again by the price, so it is still unmitigated. Because the price has not returned to this area, the sell orders are still waiting to be filled. This zone is located in the premium part of the range, which is the best area to look for sell trades. Many traders see the price going up into this area and think the market will continue upward. But institutions use this premium zone to sell at higher prices and trap buyers. When the price returns to this unmitigated order block, it gives us a high probability selling area. We do not enter trades immediately when the price touches this zone. We wait for confirmation of selling pressure on lower time frames. This is how we use an unmitigated order block in the premium zone to find safer sell entries with proper risk management. This is the first sign that selling pressure is becoming weak. This moment shows that buyers are starting to enter the market with strength. Before this point, the price was making lower highs and lower lows, which shows bearish control. Here, the price breaks the previous lower high, which is the first signal of a possible direction change. This change of character on the lower time frame helps us see early signs of a reversal. Many traders still believe the market will continue going down at this point, but smart money uses this area to slowly build buying positions. This move also traps late sellers who enter after the strong downward move. This change of character is not a place to enter a buy trade. This point is only used to shift our short-term bias from sell to buy on the lower time frame. After this, we wait for the price to pull back into a discounted buying area. Only then do we look for proper confirmation to enter a buy trade with better risk management. This is how a bullish, low time frame change of character helps beginners understand when selling pressure is ending and buying pressure is starting. This area shows how the market creates traps for traders before a big move. This zone is formed when the price moves sideways and creates multiple highs and lows. During this sideways movement, liquidity is built on both sides of the range. Many traders enter buy trades near the top of this range and sell trades near the bottom. Smart money allows this range to form so that enough orders are placed by retail traders. This process is called inducement because traders are being encouraged to enter early. Institutions need these orders to create liquidity for their large positions. When enough traders are trapped inside this range, the market is ready for a strong move. After inducement, the price moves into the premium selling area to fill institutional sell orders. This inducement phase is not a trading area. It is only used to understand that liquidity is being built for the next big move. This is how major or external inducement helps beginners understand why the market often moves sideways before a strong directional move. This area shows where many traders have placed their stop losses below recent lows. This zone is created because many traders sell late or place their stop losses under support levels. Below these lows, there are many pending sell orders and stop loss orders. Smart money targets these areas because they provide liquidity for large positions. When the price moves strongly downward, it is often going to collect these orders. This move is not random. It is planned to take liquidity from weak hands. Many traders get stopped out when the price reaches this area. At the same time, institutions use these orders to close their sell trades or open buy trades. This is why you often see strong reactions when price reaches sell-side liquidity. We do not enter new sell trades at this area. This area is mainly used as a target for our sell trades. This is how sell-side liquidity helps beginners understand where the market is likely to take profits and create reversals. This is the exact point where we execute our sell trade using the discount trader rules. First, we wait for the market to show a bearish direction through structure change and structure break. Then, we wait for the price to move into the premium selling area, where institutions place sell orders. Inside this premium zone, we mark the unmitigated selling order block as our point of interest. After the price reaches this area, we do not enter immediately. We wait for a clear lower timeframe confirmation that sellers are active. Once selling pressure is confirmed, we place our sell trade from the order block area. Our stop loss is placed safely above the high of the order block to protect our trade. Our target is placed at the sell side liquidity, where many stop losses are resting. We always use proper risk management and never risk more than a small portion of our account. This step-by-step process helps us avoid emotional trading and follow a clear plan. This is how we execute sell trades using the discount trader script with discipline and consistency.